What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Hangout. How are you guys doing today? Appreciate you guys on here. What's up, Sniff? This is episode 69. Wow. Crypto Hangout episode 69. Thank you guys so much for coming. But yeah, thank you guys. We're gonna be looking here at the markets. Can't believe it's already episode 69. We did come down today, right? We did. Bitcoin, I believe, is at 25 at the moment. We'll see. We're gonna go double live here on YouTube, on TikTok and YouTube. So let me get the TikTok started here. All right, pretty good. Let me see. I think that's good. Perfect. All right. All right, we should be good. Live on YouTube and on TikTok. Let's get there. So we're doing a double live. What's up, Sniff? The stream be starting. But yeah, thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Bitcoin, we did come under 25k, under 26k. Now we come back up a little bit, right? So we're trying to start the week up here higher than the previous low, than the previous week, because the previous week we came down here to 24,000 something. So really bad weekly close, right? So but thank you guys for coming to the live stream. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the live stream, guys. We're just taking a look here at the markets. Let's actually take a look here at the biggest gainers and losers today on the daily, right? We can see right here on the daily, biggest gainers and losers. Always, Hex is always down. You know, 5 to 10% every day. It's just like you can't go one day without seeing Hex down that bad, right? But H bar down 6% today. I did buy some H bar. H bar coming down almost 7%. So I'm happy H bar was down. XDC as well. I bought some of that. And I'm looking to buy the graph, but not yet. I'm waiting a little bit. But let me know if you guys have been buying any coins specifically. If you guys like crypto, definitely follow, like. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Appreciate all the likes. And Sniff says Richard Hart scammed a lot of people and they still worship him. It's crazy, right? I mean, I remember when you talked about it, then you said that you saw a video about Hex and you said that it was bad, right? I think it was Matthew Crowder talked about it. Hey, thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate the likes. If you guys like crypto, definitely follow. We're gonna talk about the markets today. What's been up, what's been down. Rune coming down here 11%, which is pretty good. I mean, it's been up like on the weekly. It's, you know, not on the weekly, on the monthly, it's still up 56%. So there you go. And Akash is up 140. What's going on with Akash? I kind of know what their project is, but I don't know too much about Akash. I hear Aussie. What do you mean you hear Aussie? We can see here on the weekly, Akash is up 31%. There's really not a lot of coins up on the weekly besides Akash, Optimism, Rune a little bit, and surprisingly FTT, right? Ozzy Osbourne. Yeah, I'm sorry because my AC is on and my crypto miners are on too. So, but this is on the daily, right? So these are the coins up on the daily. Sui Network up 7%. H bar down 7%. So if you're looking to get some H bar, might be the time, right? Solana also coming down. So just look at that. Yeah, it's crazy, right? I love watching his video. Bitcoin University. He's great at explaining things. You can tell he understands a lot in deep, right, in depth. So I love watching Matthew Crowder on YouTube. Wow, 48 viewers, 58 viewers. Guys, don't forget to like. Every like helps. And thank you guys for coming to the live stream. If you guys love crypto, definitely follow for more. Well, right now we're just looking at some of the biggest losers and gainers. Hey, thank you for the fire. Appreciate the fire. Create your matrix. I like your username too. Is it real XRP is going to go to 17k, 24k? Look, nothing is guaranteed, right? A lot of people that are talking about that, they're saying that because XRP is going to be used as a, banks around the world, and they're going to move trillions of dollars into XRP. That's why they're saying that, but it's not guaranteed, right? I don't think it's gonna go that crazy. So, you know, nothing in crypto is guaranteed. You see all these rumors, all these conspiracies. You gotta have an open mind, right? But thank you guys for coming. We already got 81 viewers. Insane, man. That's crazy. Don't forget to like, guys. Every like helps, like I said. We're just taking a look at the crypto markets. I want to check out the monthly. Because on the monthly, Akash up 147%, Rune up 56%. So really, the only coins that are up are these, right? HBAR up 9%, XCC up 5%, and Caspa. These are really the only coins that are up on the monthly. That is. No way XRP could go to those levels. Marquis, what's up, Marquis? Thank you for coming to the live stream, bro. How you guys been? What you guys been up to? Let me know if you guys have been buying any coins. Have you guys been waiting? Have you guys been selling? Right, let me know what you guys been up to in the crypto market. So I already got 100 viewers. Insane. Man, you guys are killing it today. Don't forget to like, guys. We're almost at 1,000 likes. And we got over 100 viewers. You guys are awesome. Let me know what you guys have been buying, because I bought some coins today. Yeah, DCA, right? I bought some HBAR, because look at this on the daily. Let's go here to the daily. This is on the daily, right? So I saw your HBAR down 7% on the daily. So I had to pick up some HBAR. It's down 7%. So Trigger says XLM and Compound are my only choices. So you bought some XLM and Compound. Not bad, right? XLM is also down on the day. 3%, right? And Compound is up only about 1%, but not bad, right? You want to make a habit of buying in red, right? Don't buy when your coin is up 5% in the green candles. Bet on Dave says going to buy some algo soon. That's pretty good. I got some algo. I haven't been buying though, because the chart just looks super ugly. I feel like it can go down lower. I'd rather wait till I see algo flattening and showing more of a bottom, so I could add more. But let me know, why are you bullish on algo? I want to know why you're bullish on Algorand. And yeah, if you guys look, Solana's down 3%, Litecoin down another 3%, right? Hex is down 5%, but I don't know if any of you guys still, I don't know if any of you guys like Hex. But yeah, a lot of coins down today. Bitcoin did come under 26k, but now we check here the price, it's back over 26k, right? You can see it's slightly over 26k, 26,018. So this is where Bitcoin's at right now. George says love Hex. Yeah, look, if you guys love Hex, let me know why you guys love Hex. What's you know, I'm not trying to hate on Hex, I'm neutral on, you know, certain coins like Hex. But let me know, why are you guys bullish on Hex? What specifically about Hex are you guys bullish on? I also have 25x on Bitcoin short I've held since Friday morning. Wow. Congrats on your short. Look at that. Trigger on a 25x leverage shorting Bitcoin. If you don't mind sharing, what price did you short Bitcoin at? What price did you short Bitcoin with 25x leverage? That's insane. Bet on Dave says it's a great blockchain, almost instant transactions, security, and foundation is the problem. What do you mean foundation is the problem? What do you think Compound can do in the bull run? To be honest, I haven't looked into Compound. I know what it is. You know, part of the Ethereum network. I think it's like lending, right? But I think it can very well be successful in terms of numbers. I haven't checked out the chart, but if you know, if it survives, which I think it will, because it's has a pretty good utility within the Ethereum ecosystem. Hey, what's up, Jay? Thank you so much, Jay, for coming to the live stream. And Jay, I appreciate you liking my videos, commenting on them. Man, it means the most to me. When you guys comment on my TikToks, when you guys like them, like I upload one TikTok every day, a new one every day, and every time I see your comments, it means the most to me, because TikTok pushes that out to other people in the crypto space, in the algorithm. So thank you guys so much. What's up, Michael? Can you chart Bitcoin? Yeah, I'll chart Bitcoin. We'll chart Bitcoin here very soon. I'm not liking this look. We made a lower low here from, you know, June 23rd, right? So not looking very good. I think we're gonna, like I said, I've been saying this since the beginning of the year. We're gonna start downtrending into the halving, and we definitely have topped out here around 31,900. I don't think we go past 31,900 this year. I think that's gonna happen. We're gonna break 31,900 after the halving of 2024. Just my opinion. How much you can have to short Bitcoin? You can short Bitcoin with any amount of money. What app are people using for leverage? I use MEXC and Bitget. And if you guys want to try it out, if you use my link, you get a discount for trading fees, like pretty low trading fees. If you want to check it out, it's in my link tree. Rhonda Franco says, teach me how to and what platform to short, please. Yeah, so like I said, if you just go right here to my my link tree, I'll show you guys here. I'm not logged in, so you either got Bitget and MEXC, and you can use both of these in the United States, both Bitget and MEXC. And what I recommend, if it's your first time learning how to use leverage, like shorting and all of that, these two platforms has great copy trading sections where you're using fake money to short the market. Okay, and that's great because you're getting the experience of shorting it with fake money, and then you can use your own money and test it out. So definitely recommend it. Use copy trading. Hello there, how are you? Hey Femi, how are you doing? I'm doing great. We're just looking here at the crypto markets. We're looking here what's up and down on the daily. This is all on the daily right here. And yeah, if you guys like crypto and you guys are new to my channel, definitely follow. Bet on Dave says, which is better? Great question. So the difference is, I would say if you like more variety, like if you like more altcoins and more variety of shorting many altcoins, MEXC. But Bitget is a great platform, and it's been growing so much. It has proof of reserves. I feel like it's very, very secure, both of them. But Bitget has great trading fees as well. It doesn't have the same variety, like I said, to MEXC, but you can still leverage trade, and you can use all of them in the United States. So if you like variety, if you like, you know, more altcoins to short or long, then MEXC. Show us an example, bro. An example of what shorting. Like I said, I'm not logged in to my MEXC account, so I can't show you how to do it on the exchange. But definitely next live stream, I'll log in next live stream and show you guys. No, they're not KYC required. So MEXC and Bitget, you do not need a KYC to use it. But you can't connect your bank account. So that's the thing. You can't KYC, but at the same time, you can't connect your bank account, which makes sense, right? So the way that you get money on there is you buy on Coinbase, Kraken, or wherever, and you send that crypto to MEXC or Bitget. If I buy Bit now, if it goes down, will I lose my investment? What do you mean? If you buy Bitcoin now, well, you won't lose it because you still have that Bitcoin. You just lose, you know, how much ever the percentage that it comes down to. So if you bought it $10 and it comes down 50%, you lose $5. Rhonda says, what do you think about 1 inch? I never used 1 inch before, but I hear a lot of good things about it. People use it a lot. So I mean, I never really wanted to use it or needed to use it. Any small caps you're holding or viewing? Yes, I got a lot of small market cap coins that I have here in my private watch list. This is my private watch list of all the coins that I either own or I'm looking to get into. And I'll share some with you guys here because you guys are amazing. You guys like my live stream. Don't forget to like. Am Rocky in crypto market. I know, but cheap and sell high, but I don't understand shorts. What do you mean you don't understand short? Like shorting the market? But yeah, some low caps here, not a financial advice. I like Rio. Rio is a very low cap. I mean, look, it's ranked 12,000 and something. Not 12,000, 1,000 something. But I like Rio. Okay, look into Rio. They're basically trying to tokenize real estate, art, anything into the digital to become a digital asset. And they've been working with regulation. So I really like the fact that they've been growing on regulation on this huge narrative, which is tokenizing real estate and other assets, right? So I like Rio. Another one I like is VRA, Veracity, which is this one, right? VRA, ranked 379. Anytime. I hold a lot of Rio. Rio, really? That's great. I just got into Rio like a month ago, and I've been accumulating. I'm happy we came down a decent amount for Rio, so I've been accumulating. Another one I would say too is Nakamoto Games. This is another small cap coin that I've been accumulating ever since this big drop. It's this one right here. It's ranked 459. Nakamoto Games, Naka. Now this one is like I said, do your own research, guys. I'm not, not financial advice, but Naka's kind of like Gala, but like way lower cap. And the fact that it's similar to Gala is the fact that it's not based on one game. If Naka was based on one game, I definitely would invest in it. But it has many games on it, which is great, right? Like Gala Games. So, what do you think of Land and Labs? I like both of them, but I just think they're very risky, right? They're very low cap. I would prefer Rio and Proppy, which is like the biggest real estate coin. But I mean, you can have some land if you want. Who has the best info, Calvin or BitBoy? I say Calvin. Yeah, I think both of them have different styles, right? Different styles. Calvin loves to show the charts a lot, and he has great a great personality, the way that he talks, and he's very convincing, right? When he talks, he's very convincing. So I do like Calvin. And BitBoy, he's great too. He talks, deep, in depth about certain projects. He gives his opinion, and yeah, I like both. They have different styles, right? Teach us how to short one, because XRP short would have been nice. Yeah, so next time I'm definitely gonna log into my account. I'm not logged in right now, but both MEXC and Bitkit, which if you guys want to use it, it's in my link tree. They have copy trading, meaning you can short, you can practice shorting with fake money, and then when you get the hang of it, you can use your own money. Yeah, Proppy is this. So Proppy is like the biggest coin here in terms of market cap for real estate. Let me see Proppy right here. It's called Pro. So this is Proppy right here. And they basically, if you go to the website, right, for Proppy, you can see they have houses, buy and sell real estate with Web3. They actually have some houses that they sell, and you could be a seller too, right? I'm a buyer, so you click I'm a buyer, looking for property, cash, and it's pretty interesting. But they're the biggest real estate coin based on market cap. Make Money says Calvin. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Calvin. How low can Quant go? Great question. I actually made a TikTok on Quant talking about how low can Quant go. If you guys haven't seen the TikTok, I posted it yesterday, but I'll talk to you guys here about it. I don't mind. But right here, these are my targets for Quant, right? Like, I think we are definitely coming down to 80, to this range, $80. And then if we get a really, if we get a black swan or Bitcoin goes under 20K to 18K, then we could definitely see $60 Quant for sure. And then if we have some crazy black swan, right, economic recession, then we come down here and double bottom of $40. So there's a lot of targets here, but I think we at least break $100. I don't think we're gonna hold this $100 for too long. We're gonna break it to $80. So just my opinion on Quant. Hey, what's up, Crypto Dream? How you doing, bro? Thank you for coming to the live stream. How you been? What happened, Calvin, earlier? I don't know what happened. What happened to Calvin earlier? I didn't see his live stream. Hey, thank you for the gift, Crypto Dream. Appreciate the gift. If you guys like crypto, definitely follow Crypto Dream too. He makes great content. Bro, are you recording your laptop screen with a phone? So, bro, wild. Yes, I have my screen, my iPhone facing my my computer actually, and the reason why is because unfortunately TikTok pushes out live streams that are on your phone way more than on TikTok Studio. And I can use TikTok Studio. It's just the fact that every time I use it, TikTok just doesn't push it out that much. Right? Like the amount of viewers, the amount of likes, the amount of people that it pushes out to is less. So that's why I do it this way. Calvin bought more XRP. Really? He bought some more XRP? Yeah, I bought some XRP when it was around 50 cents. And then I saw it came up to 55 cents. Now it's back to 51. So we'll see. I'm probably going to continue buying as it goes under 50 cents if it does. He got cut off unexpectedly. Someone kept repeating Ngani, Calvin's doorbell, and then proof. Really? That's strange. I hope he's good. I hope he's alright. That is strange. You hold any MyRia? So that's a great question you asked me that, because I was looking into MyRia. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I was looking into it before it came on the markets, and I just kind of like forgot about it. But no, I don't hold any, but I definitely want to look into it, because MyRia, if you guys didn't know, they're very similar to Gala, and you can actually buy a node for like pretty low price. And you know, when you look at Gala, their nodes, they were like around 4,000, 5,000. Now a Gala node is around 100k or 90k, which is insane. And basically the node is you basically earn Gala passively, which is good passive income. So MyRia could do the same pattern. They might have, you know, their nodes are pretty cheap right now. I mean, not cheap, but I think one of them is like 4k, 3k, around there, or 2k, I don't know. But if they follow the same pattern as Gala, they can have a crazy increase in the nodes, right? 5k worth. Okay. Matic is down 28% this month. Yes, insane, right? Matic coming down 28%. If you guys are bullish on Matic, on Polygon, which I am, then I think this is a great time to buy Matic, honestly, not financial advice. Polygon is it's one of the biggest, you know, the biggest layer 2 for Ethereum, so definitely don't sleep on Matic. It's gonna touch about 39 cents XRP, then retrace back up. Yeah, I was talking about that 39 cents. If you check right here on XRP, right, and my predictions came true. If you guys saw my TikToks, my predictions came true for XRP. I gotta look at it again to rechart it, but 39 cents would be around here. This is where 39 cents is. So could we come down here? Yes, possibly. We very well can. And this is where 39 cents really is where the next big, you know, demand is here, right? The next big liquidity demand here, where you can see, right? I told you guys, look, I told you guys when we were up here. I told you guys when we were at 80 cents, and I have proof on my TikToks. Just look at my TikToks. I told you guys we would come down here, right? I told you guys we would come down here to try to make this a support. Why? Because look at this, right? 1, 2, 3 times we get rejected here. So of course we're gonna come down here and test it as support. And if we're bullish, look, for XRP to stay bullish, it needs to make this a support, and it really does. From the 3 times that we failed, we got rejected here. So I feel like it's still too early to know if XRP is going to 39 cents, I would say. I definitely want to see more price action around the 50 cent, this range. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. What do you think about Mona? I never looked into Mona. Let me know what Mona is about. I never looked into Mona, but let me know what their coin is about. Do you like any ZK rollups? Yeah, some of them I do. How high can Matic go? Man, I don't know. I think Matic, right, looking at the all-time high, I mean, Matic can definitely go to $30 next bull run, right? For sure. But Matic's all-time high was around, not $30, my bad, I meant like $6 or $7. I think Matic can come to at least $8 to $10. You know what I mean? I don't think that would be it'll be a surprise for Matic coming to at least $8 to $10. I'm shorting Binance right now. Is that a mistake? We'll check out Binance. I want to check out Binance because it has been doing really awfully, right? I think it's due to the news regarding BNB. But BNB, let's check it out right now. Let's see how it's doing. Look at this. Look at BNB's chart. I mean, this is very ugly, right? I mean, this is we're coming down to test the lows here of the bear market. The very low of the bear market back in June 2022, almost 1 year ago. BNB coming back to test it at 184. And right now we're at 213. So now regarding all the bad news, I mean, if you're gonna short it now, I will be careful. But if you have been shorting since 230, 240, then you're definitely doing good. What about Dogechain, Caspa, and Cambria? So yeah, Dogechain is very low cap. I looked into Dogechain. I think it's very unique what they're doing. But again, don't put all your money into Dogechain. Very low cap, and I think it will definitely pump as Dogecoin pumps. But just be careful with that. And Caspa, look, Caspa's up like 1,000% on the yearly. So yeah. Yes, bro. Short at support, dangerous. Yeah, exactly. Like, cause if you're gonna short right now, I mean, we're at crazy lows for BNB, right? Why would you want to short when we're at crazy lows here for BNB, lowest in the year? Because if you short, right, next 2 days we might catch a pump. We might catch a pump here, and then doesn't mean it's gonna keep going up. It could catch a pump and then start trending down, right? Because that's the price goes to where liquidity goes, where it needs to find liquidity, right? No, I'm at 212. LOL, should I get out? Haha. You're at 212. Yeah, look, I would be careful. I would be careful. You know, I'm not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, of course, but you know, I would be careful. I'm not saying that we can very well keep dumping here for BNB, but it's just a fact that look at this chart. Look at this chart. We haven't been down this in this range. We haven't been down in this range since June 2022. That's basically a year ago. So BNB can very well stay flat and start uptrending to then later start coming down. And the reason why it can definitely pump is because there might be a lot of people shorting BNB right now, and like I said, price goes to where liquidity is. If there's a lot of people shorting, there's a lot of liquidity. With the price going up, it's gonna liquidate a lot of shorters. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I say be careful. Be careful. And man, I appreciate you guys. We already got almost 7K likes. You guys are killing it. What's up, NW? Sniff says Hex is horrible. NW says got into ETH short 100x at 1,675. Wow. And what price is it at now? KLT took a hit. I never heard about KLT. Never heard about KLT. How low do you think Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic can go within the next 3 months? I'll do Bitcoin. Like I said, I think Bitcoin, my targets for Bitcoin before the halving are these two right here. And I've been very I've been saying this for like months now, right? These are my 2 big targets for Bitcoin, to where we can possibly form a higher low. Okay, and this might be the last time Bitcoin goes under 20K. Thoughts on Elon Prime? Never heard of those coins. Are they like super low cap? Bro, did me a favor. Check Bitcoin on the monthly candle. Zoom right out. Tell me what you see as with the W pattern. Yeah, I'll check it out right here. We'll check out Bitcoin on the monthly. So you're talking about the W pattern? W pattern playing out since 2019. So yeah, let me see. I mean, yeah, I can kind of see it. Yeah, I mean, since 2019, right? I'll check out Polkadot after Bitcoin. Thank you. Anytime, Chef Boy. Thank you for coming to the live stream. We got 7,000 likes. Insane. But yeah, look, this is Bitcoin on the monthly. And look, guys, this is why I am short Bitcoin until the halving. You want to know why? Pay attention, because look at this. Very simple. This is my own indicator. By the way, if you want to join my Discord, if you want to get this indicator, which is my most used one, I created it myself. You can get it and join in the first tier of my Patreon if you guys are interested. But look at this. Look at this. We are in the same territory, overbought territory on the monthly. Okay, that we were last halving months prior to the halving. The same amount of look how I could literally copy and paste this and it will look exactly the same. You see this? Look, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this, okay, and I'm looking at this. You see that? Look how similar we are right now. This is why I've been saying, even before this huge dump, I've been telling you guys we are coming down into the halving, because I saw this weeks ago. We got to overbought territory. Hey Jay, thank you so much, Jay. Appreciate all the roses. And what indicator is this? This is my own indicator that I created that has money flow, stochastic, and the regular RSI. And you can see money flow and stochastic extremely overbought. The same position. Security, thank you so much for the weights, bro. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Thank you, Jay, for the bouquet of roses. You're amazing. But when you look at this, it's just identical, right? It's so identical that the fact that last halving Bitcoin topped out the same amount of months as this halving where we topped out in June and July. Basically the same month. Isn't that insane? So, you know, what does this mean? If we keep following this, we're going to keep downtrending and possibly make a higher low. And then once we come into the halving, we're going to slowly increase but stay flat for a little bit. And then, you know, about 3 months, 4 months, that's when it's going to start skyrocketing up. Okay? But I do believe that Bitcoin is not going to break 31K this year. I do believe that 31K was the high for 2023. And we're only going to break it after the halving of 2024. So not even next year, after the halving of next year. Okay? Not the beginning of next year. In my opinion. Alright? So, hello there. Do you think Bitcoin will test 15K back again? So at the moment, I don't think it will. I think it's going to form like a higher low around 19,800. And the reason why I say this, the reason why this is my main target here, 19,800, okay, is because when you look at this, I'm going to show you why this is my main target. When you look at that, what was the all-time high for 2017? 19,800, right? It was around 19,800. The same price was the all-time high in 2017. But not just that. You want to know that? You want to see another thing? Not just that. It's not just the fact that it was the all-time high in 2017. But when you look at this, okay, look at March. Look at this. Look at this price action. Do you see March right here? In March of this year, we went from that exact price, 19,800. You see that huge wick to 19,800 or 19,700? We went from 19,700 to 29,000 in the same month. In the same month, okay, of March. So with this, there's a lot of liquidity right here, and I believe that we're coming back down to retest it as support and possibly be the higher low from the bottom. Now, the thing is, like me, I could be the best trader. You can get the best trader out there. If we have a black swan, if we have an economic collapse, if real estate collapses, if we have something crazy like that, then yeah, we can very well break the bottom of 15K. And if we break the bottom, I don't see Bitcoin going lower than 13,000. Okay, if we have a crazy black swan event, I don't see Bitcoin going lower than 13,000. because when we look at here to 13,000, right? 13,000 was the top of 2019. It was the top of 2019. So I don't see us coming lower than 13,000 if we have something crazy, which we can very well happen, right? I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on there with you know what I'm saying, this certain things, right? From 2020, you have a recession. We already have, you know, the Netherlands is in recession right now. I think Germany too. So we are at, I'm shorting from 28 to 20k. Yeah, I mean, we can for sure test 28k again. I've been saying this. If you go right here to the weekly, we can have a Head and Shoulders play out, guys. Look at this. I've been saying this. Watch out for a Head and Shoulders on the weekly. You can see a Head and Shoulders on the weekly. If it plays out, it will look something like this, where we have the first shoulder and then we have the head. The head makes a higher high than the shoulder. That's why it's a head. So we have the head, and then boom, we're back to the neckline. This is the neckline. And then what happens next? We make a second shoulder. But the second shoulder, like I said, it's a lower high from the high. And then we come down, right? We can very well have a Head and Shoulders. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect like that. It could be something like this, right? Something very small like that, and then start coming down. So just watch out for that. Remember, elections is coming. Yeah, that's another big thing, right? Elections is coming. We're gonna have election year, so it's gonna be an exciting year. It's gonna be a very exciting year. 2024. We have the halving. We have an election year. We have the ETFs. Rudo says it's gonna take a lot for a major black swan event to drop Bitcoin to 13k. Yeah, but I think it's possible, because, like, you know, like I said, a black swan event is huge, right? Something like the economy collapsing, something like you know, real estate collapsing, recession. It would take a lot, but I don't see Bitcoin going lower than 13k if it were to happen, because that was the high in 2019. That's what I'm waiting on right now. If it falls below, we will retest 20k. Yeah, for sure. Like I said, my target is 19,700. And look, I'll keep you guys updated, right? I'll keep you guys updated if I change my target, because I will change my target by looking at the overall economy. If I see the overall economy, you know, looking really, really bad, with a possible black swan or many things happening with the dollar, with real estate, with you know, less liquidity in the markets. We see a Warren Buffett selling bank stocks. We see Michael Burry shorting the crap out of the markets. When you see all this combined, it doesn't look very well for the economy. So you got to factor that. How much leverage are you using? I'm not using any leverage right now. What do you think of Render? My opinion on Render, I have some. I've been talking about Render since 40 cents in my live stream, but I'm very bullish on Render because of its utility. I think it has a lot of innovation. Why? Because Render's utility is the fact that there are people out there that need rendering power, right? They don't have GPUs, they need rendering power that other people have. And these people that have rendering power, they can use their rendering power for exchange of render tokens. And it's like a decentralized rendering protocol in which people can use rendering power from in a decentralized manner for their movies, their games, their videos. So it's very innovative. And if they continue, that's the key thing. They got to continue to build and actually make it effective. Inventory is dead. Real estate is gold and no one knows it. Too many orders at 15k, bro. No lower. I'm Berkshire half aware about retails. Sui is start pumping again. Yes, Sui is the biggest gainer here on the day. Let me know why has Sui been pumping so much? Right, Sui up 11% on the day right here. Rune down 12%, but then again, Rune has been up like 50% on the monthly. And H-bar down 5%. It was actually down 7%. So but SUI is up 11% on the daily. Rates been pumping and its house is still flying. One again in Berkshire Hathaway about realtors and NJ. Reach out if you want to learn. Yeah, I definitely will. Thank you, Tyler. But yeah, look, real estate, it's hasn't been going down, right? It's like, what is gonna take for real estate to start going down, trending down hard? Because we see these record level rates since 2022, right? I saw something that said that we haven't seen these rates since 2022. So it's, you know, at the moment a lot of people just can't afford houses. And the worst part is that rent is so high, the fact that they can't even save for a house, right? So it's just not looking really good right now. Will Bitcoin go to 20k? I believe so. I think we will trend down to 20k because, like I said, if we go here on the monthly, we are very overbought, right? I showed you guys here. We haven't hit this territory on the monthly since the bull market, right here. So you can see that we're very overbought. Now I believe before the halving, we're gonna do something like this, like similar to last halving. You see how last halving we come down here to near oversold, right? And we bottom right there. I think we're gonna do something similar. We're gonna come down here to near oversold and then start working our way up, something like that. So when you look at this, and whenever we hit here, okay, that is possibly the bottom. So that's why I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated here with my indicator. If you guys want to get my indicator to my Patreon, I created it myself, but you can see how I could literally copy and paste this and it'll look similar from last halving. And by the way, each vertical line is a halving every 4 years. Hence the rental prices are higher than ever. Yep. If you live in NJ, the only way to move and capitalize now in the market is to relocate out after. Also in the Shiba, also in on Shiba hard. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Shiba. It's one of my top coins. A lot of people underestimate Shiba, but I think Shiba has a bright future. And you're right about that. Rent is super high. House prices are super high. Rates are high. Everything is high, right? And it's just, you can see how the Great Reset is in process, right? A lot of people have conspiracy about the Great Reset, this and that, but it's not even a conspiracy anymore. I mean, it's in your face. They're literally telling you what they're gonna do. It's not a conspiracy, right? When the main people are telling you, right? So, like, you know, Charles Schwab, I mean, these guys are telling you exactly what they're gonna do, but they're telling you in kind of like a nice way, I guess. They're not telling you in like a conspiracy way. You know, own nothing and be happy. Hey Tyler, thank you so much, bro. Appreciate the follow. Thank you guys for 10k likes. You guys have been crushing it. If you guys are new to my live stream and you guys like crypto and talking about the economy and what's going to happen in the future, definitely follow. I live stream daily. I upload at least one TikTok daily. So, you know. But yeah, guys, look, one of the biggest things I will say, guys, is next bull market, right? Whether it's in 2025, 2026, next bull market, when you guys make life-changing money, which I believe you guys will, when you make life-changing money, take that money out. Doesn't have to be all of it, but take the life-changing money out and, you know, diversify. Invest in real estate. Invest in foreign real estate. Invest in, I don't know, stocks, bonds, in a business, right? Diversify yourself. Don't just be all in crypto, especially when we live in a country where it's looking to regulate the crap out of crypto, looking to tax the crap out of crypto. So understand that. And like I said, foreign real estate, do not sleep on foreign real estate, specifically crypto friendly foreign real estate or crypto friendly countries. Real estate isn't coming down. BlackRock and other billionaires eating it up. Ren says, why own nothing and be happy? What does that mean? Yeah, so this is like their model, right? And like this is, it's not a conspiracy. It's not like someone said it they really said this. It's on their website. You know, Charles Schwab and the Economic Forum, which is this like global economy forum, many countries, and they're literally telling you, right? They want it about. They're saying that. I'll tell you exactly what they mean. What they mean by own nothing and be happy is they're gonna make it so convenient. They're gonna make it so convenient and easy for people to the fact that they're not gonna want to own nothing, and they're gonna be happy because it's convenient, right? I mean, you see generations like millennials, everything getting more easier to do and things like that. They want to make it so convenient to the point that they're not gonna be owning it, and they're basically gonna be renting it or on having zero ownership but renting it. But on the plus side, they're gonna get the convenience. They might get cheaper stuff, no taxes, all these benefits. But I myself, I would rather own it, right? You focus on having ownership, having a freedom, right? And ownership of real estate. Hey, thank you, Tyler, bro. Thank you so much for coming to the live stream. I appreciate you and following you too. Buy one, two family, rent it out, let the tenants pay it off, and then exactly that's what I actually do with my house. I do that exact thing that Tyler said. If you guys are buying your first house, your first real estate, it's a huge plus if you can buy one that's a duplex, right? Or you can at least make it into a duplex, because then you can just rent it out and that'll help pay out the mortgage. Zach says 15-minute cities, no owning cars or houses. Yeah, exactly what Zach said. He part of this own nothing and be happy are the smart cities. They call these cities the smart cities, which are probably going to be like the big cities, the big capitals in the United States, Denver, New York, all these, not New York, Manhattan, right? All the big cities, LA. They're gonna make them into smart cities, and to the point of like owning no cars. Like I said, it's not just real estate. It's no cars, no anything, right? You're gonna be happy owning nothing, and probably by then we're gonna have UBI because all the AI, are gonna take out a lot of jobs like cashiering and certain jobs are gonna be taken by AI. So what's that gonna do? That's gonna have a cause and effect. That's gonna cause us to have UBI because of all the people that's gonna be unemployed. We're gonna have UBI, which stands for Universal Basic Income, and we've seen many people like that were trying to be presidents that are in favor of this. Like people like what's his name, Yang? What was that guy that was trying to be president on the Democratic side? He was talking about that, having a UBI, basically, giving away $1,000 a month for, certain people. So that's where I see us headed, unfortunately. What's your 3 places to look out outside of USA for real estate? Great question by Outer Reason. And that's a great question because I'm also going to make a TikTok on that. The top 3 places, the top 3 crypto-friendly countries to move to. I'm gonna make a TikTok on that, so stay tuned. But at the moment, from what I've researched, and it could change, I really like Portugal. Okay, they have really low taxes. I don't think they even have taxes on certain crypto. But Portugal is super crypto friendly. Okay, and it's a great place in my opinion. Portugal, Dubai, right? Dubai obviously is another very super crypto friendly place. And I think there's other ones. I mean, there's many, but the ones that to me, in terms of like the place and how it is and stuff like that, the other one is Costa Rica. So Costa Rica is not as crypto friendly as Portugal, for example, but it's a great place. There's a lot of English speaking people out there. There's a lot of digital nomads out there. So it's, it's not like you're gonna be in a place where everyone's speaking Spanish, right? And it's more crypto friendly than the United States. So And again, all these places you can get much more for your dollar too. I want to learn if that's the American dream, isn't it? Yeah, it's crazy, right? How the American dream is changing. You know, they want to kill the American dream of owning, having ownership, and having freedom, to basically owning nothing. But what they're gonna sell, guys, what they're gonna market is convenience. That's what they're gonna market. Especially to a lot of millennials. A lot of millennials. I'm not saying all of them, but a lot of them have been grown, right, to be more, you know, lazy. Let's be honest, right? A lot of them have been grown to be lazy and really have things handed to them, and just be attracted by convenience, right? By their phones, by, you know, Uber, all these things, right? Looking at Portugal, yeah, Portugal is a great, very crypto-friendly place. In fact, knowledge. Check out the crypto channel called Crypto Tips. Crypto Tips is a great crypto channel, and there are a couple that 5 or 10 years ago moved away from the United States to Portugal because of the tax benefits, and they're very big investors in Bitcoin, and they've been living there for like years now. So check out Crypto Tips on YouTube. There are a couple that moved to Portugal. They make videos daily, and yeah, they say they love it. They love it, and they renounced their U.S. citizenship too, and they live in Portugal because of where the U.S. is going with the regulations and everything. So yeah, El Salvador is another place. El Salvador is another. Like I said, there's many crypto-friendly countries. The reason why I picked Costa Rica ahead of El Salvador is the fact that I feel like Costa Rica is already more ahead of El Salvador, right? Like more developed. But El Salvador is doing great. I mean, they're definitely on the uptrend. But like I said, Costa Rica, there's a lot of digital nomads in Costa Rica. There's a lot of English speaking people from all over the world, Europe and Costa Rica. So I think Costa Rica is one to look into. But like I said, guys, you want to start researching this, because, you know, especially if you have a lot of investments in crypto, why not research this? Because, you know, if you guys make life-changing money, you have the option to buy foreign land and move out, right? But also have a plan, have a strategy, move out, but make it so you still earn income in the dollar, right? Move out, but make sure you still earn income from the US dollar, because you can use that income, whether you're making that income online through an online business or whatever way, right? You can use that income to buy goods in that new foreign land, which your dollar is going to go way much further with the food, with the real estate, with everything, the labor, way much further, right? This is what a lot of people do. This is what a lot of digital nomads do. So Portugal sounds nice, yeah, and it's great because, you know, it's next to Spain, UK, a lot of European countries. Well, Bitcoin broke the trend now. What's your thoughts? Yeah, like I've been saying, Bitcoin is it's gonna start trending down. 31K is the top for this year. I don't think we break 31K for the rest of the year until after the halving. We're just gonna start having a boring downtrend from now on, and then months after the halving, that's when we start coming up. And I wouldn't be surprised if it takes till like May or June, right, or even August to break that 31K of 2024. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much for the roses, Rick. I appreciate you coming on here. Got 50 viewers, 10,000 likes. Don't forget to like, guys. It helps out a lot. And don't forget to watch my videos too. I upload one video every single day, and you guys have been killing it with the comments, with the likes. Sniff says, Lewis, do not manifest 13K. This will ruin me. Hey, Sniff, I definitely do not want Bitcoin to go down to 13K. Why? Because that would probably wreck a lot of altcoins, right? That would probably bring a lot of altcoins to a crazy price, to the point of, you know, a lot of altcoins probably won't survive. Also too, if Binance goes down, all the coins on BNB are probably gonna go to zero. Gonna pay off my house with crypto, fingers crossed, just gotta hold on. Yes, that's great, you know, pay off. If you, like I said guys, when you make life-changing money, do not make that mistake of being greedy and holding it for more. When you make that life-changing money, take that portion out. You know, pay out your house or invest it in another house, or, you know, do what you gotta do and diversify. Buy land, cut timber, rent for hunting, grow small crops. My goals. That's a great idea. That's a great idea from Zach right there regarding buying land. Kern, thank you so much for following the stream. Appreciate you all you guys on here. You guys are amazing. What up, Crypto Live? How are you doing? Do you leverage trade? I do leverage trade occasionally, not all the time. What would you do if Bitcoin reversed tomorrow? What would I do if I would be happy? Because I have, you know, I have a decent amount of, you know, altcoins, so I would be happy. Like I said, you want to be, this is the way that you want to be invested in the market. You want to be invested in the market in a balanced way, meaning if we were to start shooting up, you would be happy because you have a decent amount. You wouldn't feel FOMO. And on the other side, also be balanced if we were to be dumping, right? 20k Bitcoin, 18k Bitcoin, you would still be happy because you're not all in, right? You're not over leveraged with your money, with your capital in the market. You see what I'm saying? So balance is key. You want to be balanced as an investor. But you never want to be all in or all out. As per news, SpaceX sold 373 million Bitcoin, $1 million of Bitcoin, and some entity bought $3 billion. Wow, I saw that. There is an entity out there that bought $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. Who could it be, right? A lot of people are saying that it might be BlackRock. There's a lot of speculation. Dave, DCA, thank you so much for the flowers, Dave. Appreciate the flowers. Which ones are the altcoins? The altcoins are all the coins except Bitcoin. Shorting Bitcoin, thinking people will go long based on this bullish news seems like a plan. I mean, maybe, right? I mean, it's still, you know, it's still not known yet who's been buying that crazy amount of Bitcoin. You're the reason why I haven't given up on crypto. Thanks, Louis. Aranda, wow, man, thank you so much. And I'm happy I'm the reason, because, you know, it's hard. Look, it's hard being a crypto content creator during a bear market, because a lot of people are just, you know, they're very bearish, right? Or they're losing faith, or they're losing hope. But I'm happy that I can come here and live stream, and I've been live streaming since the beginning of the bear market. I actually started live streaming in the beginning of the bear market, so I can't wait to live stream as we go into the bull market after 2024 halving, because it's gonna be amazing. We're gonna get so many more viewers, so many more likes, and I'll tell you guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on everything, my exit strategy, what times I think is the best time to buy, to sell. Right now regarding altcoins, I don't think it's the best time to be, you know, going deep into altcoins. Maybe, you know, little chunks here and there. But you gotta understand, a lot of altcoins can still dump 50%. Okay, 50 to even 90%. And I'll give you an example right here of Cardano. Look at Cardano. So I don't know if you guys hold Cardano, but if you look at Cardano, this is very interesting, because this is a very, very interesting here for Cardano. Okay, this is Cardano here back in 2019. So you can see right here, Cardano. This is what I mean for the fact that, you know, a lot of altcoins can still dump another 50%, right? Because look at this, Cardano 2019. Cardano from its all-time high of 2017. Guess how much it came down, right? So Cardano from its all-time high, it comes down to right here, around 97%. Actually right here, Yeah, 97%. No, actually right here, right? It came down to right here around 94%, right? And then if people were buying right here, people that were buying right there, if we measure this out from right there, we come down another crazy 69%. So look at that, right? From right here, when Cardano was down 94% from its all-time high of 2017, look how much more it comes down. It comes down from that price of 7 cents Cardano. Okay, yeah, 7 cents Cardano. It comes down another 69% to nearly 1 penny. Nearly 1 penny. Insane, right? So this is what I was saying. The fact that you might look at altcoins and be like, oh, it's down 90% from its all-time high in 2021. I should start buying. Well, you got to understand. Cardano, look at this. And not just Cardano, many altcoins. It's the fact that it's down 90% from its all-time high. It can still dump another 70%. Okay? So the best time to buy, like the best time to buy for Cardano before the bull market was right here. Why right here? Because I'll tell you why this was the best time to buy when it was around 10 cents Cardano. I'll tell you why. Okay? The reason why it was the best time to buy Cardano here was because, number one, we started uptrending. We pivoted. We started uptrending and we broke that 7 cents range for Cardano. And then, you know, so we pivoted, we come back down, we stay flat. This is the best time to buy Cardano. 10 cents. And then from there, Cardano exploded to nearly $3. So you see what I'm saying? So I just wanted to, you know, talk to you guys about that, because we're in a very similar situation this bear market. This accumulation year, that is. I'll need your help for an exit plan. Yeah, guys, I'll be here. And look, nothing here is financial advice. I just tell you guys what I would do, what I'm doing, what I would do, right? Same with Algo, 97%. Yes, exactly. It wasn't just Cardano. Algo ran too. So just have that in mind, guys. Seems like 21 Bitcoin would be gone by now. Yeah, the thing is, 21 Bitcoin, like the circulating supply of Bitcoin is around 19 million Bitcoin, right? What is it? The last Bitcoin that's gonna be mined is gonna be 2040, I believe. So basically, wait for Cardano to go to 90% drop before buying. What do you mean by that? No, basically what I mean is the fact that right here. So I'll say it again, but I'll compare it to today. Cardano last bear market from 2017 high, Cardano was down 94%. So basically around 90%. But the thing is, okay, you bought Cardano when it was down 90%. Well, guess what? It came down another from that 90%. It came down another 69% from 7 cents to a penny. You see what I'm saying? But like I said, the best time to buy is when you see a reaction, when you see some life. And we see here some life from Cardano when it starts to pivot and stay flat. That was the best time to buy right there. Not right here. This was not a good time to buy. Okay? So, and when we compare it to today, let's check out how much Cardano is down from its all-time high of 2021. Okay, so this is Cardano. Let's do it now. Let's do a present moment analysis here. It's down. Wow, this is so identical. It's literally down the same price, 92%. So look. If we were to do the same thing here, if we were to follow the same pattern from last bear market where Cardano was down 94%, and then drop another 70%, let's see where Cardano would come down to. Let's see where Cardano would come down to if we drop a 70% here for Cardano, which I'm pretty sure would be a crazy lows. So boom, right there. What price is that? What price is that if Cardano drops another 70%? So right now Cardano is 26 cents. If Cardano follows the same pattern, drops another 70% down from right now, it would be around 7 cents. Which oddly enough was the price where it dropped 70% down last bull market. That's insane. You see that? Around 7 cents, yeah. So last bear market, it went from 7 cents to a penny. Now, if we drop 70% down from 26 cents, we would come down to that 7%. I mean, to that 7 cents Cardano. Crazy, right? So, this is not out of the table. I just wanted to tell you guys that, because this can very well happen. That's why I've been saying, do not be all in altcoins. Don't think, people, YouTubers telling you buy the dip, buy the dip. This is buy the fear, right? A lot of these YouTubers, a lot of these super bullish influencers, they don't understand this, right? A lot of them don't really look at the charts like that. And sorry if I haven't been reading the comments, guys. I just been going on a rant. A lot of times when I do technical analysis, I need to focus on the charts. But thank you guys so much for the comments, for the likes. We got 12k likes. Where would Dogecoin be at 90% drop from all-time highs, Lewis? Yeah, so let's check it out. Dogecoin. Where would Dogecoin be at 90%? Speaking about Dogecoin, guess what I bought? Guess what I bought? I bought a Dogecoin mini miner 2. Yeah. I bought the Dogecoin mini miner 2, and I think I'm gonna buy a second one. I'm thinking of buying a second one. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That's so cool. I didn't know they had that. What? No freaking way. Let me do that again. Let me see. Oh, come on. It only does it once? Did you guys see that? No freaking way. No freaking way. Let me see it again. Let me set this on Coinbase. Come on, do it. Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, I guess it only does it once, but you guys saw that? That's insane. Wow. Man, Dogecoin really is one of the best coin. I mean, which coin has something like that, right? Which coin has an animation on the trading view chart like that? But that was cute. Yeah, it was pretty cool. How high would ADA reach in the bull market? I'll check it out for ADA. History rhymes. Yeah, history doesn't always repeat, but it does rhyme, right? Good advice, bro. These influencers are messed up. Yeah, thank you so much, Fred. Again, I try to be authentic with you guys. I try to be true. I'm not gonna be telling you guys here, oh, I'm bullish on everything. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm telling you guys exactly what I see here from the chart. So, from its all-time high, Dogecoin at the moment is down 91%. So Dogecoin is down 91% from its all-time high. If Dogecoin were to drop another 50% from the price right now, it would come down here to nearly... So if it were to drop another 50%, it would come down to around 3 cents. Around 2 to 3 cents. Okay? For Dogecoin. So it'll probably lose, pretty big amount. Which model for mini Dogecoin miner and why mini? So let me actually show you guys that are new, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys that are new here haven't seen this, but look at this. If you guys are wondering why there's so much noise in my live stream, this is why. Alright? That's why right there. That's my Doge mini miner 1. Okay. Oh, look at that. My dad actually drew that. He drew my profile, my logo. That was a gift from my dad. But yeah, yeah, that was the Dogecoin mini miner 1. And the one that I bought the Dogecoin mini miner 2, which when you look at the stats, like the hash rate, how much it mines, it's basically 2 of those in one, basically. Okay, that's what the Doge mini miner 2 is. It's 2 of those what I showed you in one, which is and it's a little bit more efficient. So, but the reason why I like the Dogecoin mini miner is because it is super convenient. If you're a beginner in mining, it is a super convenient, easy, beginner-friendly miner, home miner. And the cool part about it is the fact that it is not too loud, and it heats up your room. So I think even Elon Musk talked about this in an interview with Cathie Wood and the creator of Twitter. He said, "Oh, you know, we could possibly have crypto miners that in return heat up your room." So, you know, for the winter, if you want to get if you want more warmth in your room, you want to use less of the electricity, you can definitely use that. But I do like them. Anytime Miranda. Wow, thank you guys. We almost got 14k likes. You guys are killing it. What is the best broker to use, Lewis? I like MEXC and Bitkit, like I always say all the time, for trading. You can find it in my link tree. And thank you to a lot of you guys that have signed up using my links. You guys have been amazing, right? Because it helps me out, and in return you get less trading fees. You get lower trading fees because I partnered with Bitkit and MEXC. Well, I didn't partner with them. I'm an affiliate because I have my affiliate link. So you get less trading fees. And yeah, thank you guys so much that did that. What's the running cost of the miner? So great question. So with the miner, you're gonna have to subtract electricity fees, right? And I can't tell you how much electricity fees it uses. You can only go by the computer unless you have like this gadget that tracks the amount. I don't have that gadget, but at the moment it's not profitable. I think it's just about break even because of Dogecoin's price. But the whole reason why I've been buying these mini miners is because of the fact that it's not profitable, because the prices are super low compared to the bull market, right? A lot of people say, "Oh, don't get these miners because they're not profitable, this and that." But the thing is, by the time they become profitable, they're gonna triple X in price. That mini miner right there that I showed you guys, the Dogecoin mini miner 1, it was over $1,000 in the bull market. It was like $1,200 for one. So whoever bought it then, when it was the bull market, you know, it sucked because we came down, and now one of those is worth around $250 to $300, and I bought mine for $230 used. So, but really, the whole thing about mining, too, guys, and investing in mining, the whole idea is, in a bear market, you want to buy the miner. There's only a couple reasons why you would get into mining and buy that miner. Number one, if you're bullish on that coin, if you believe that coin is gonna explode into next bull market, then invest in mining it, even if it's not profitable right now, right? Like my Dogecoin mini miner is not profitable right now, but I believe Dogecoin will do well. I believe it'll go, you know, back to 20 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, and by then my miner is gonna be super profitable. But do not get into mining for some random coin that you don't believe in, right? Like maybe Cadena. Maybe you're not bullish on Cadena, then don't buy a Cadena miner, right? And regarding Bitcoin miners, my opinion on Bitcoin miners, because I've done a lot of research on all these miners, Bitcoin miners, basically mining Bitcoin is basically you got to put in a lot of money to make some money. It's not worth it if you're just, you know, putting in a little bit of money. It's a lot. It's very expensive to start mining Bitcoin and trying to make a profit, trying to have it be profitable. Most people that mine Bitcoin, they have like, you know, their own warehouse, and because it's super loud too. Check HBAR. Yeah, we'll check out HBAR. Take a look here at HBAR, because I've been buying HBAR these last couple of days. Since I never had any HBAR before, I've been accumulating some and building a position. But we'll check out H bar. Your thoughts on injective protocol? It's always steady. I like injective. I think it has a great use case for it. But you got to be careful, right? Because it did have some token unlocks, meaning that they added more to the supply. You can see in tokenunlocks.com, that app. So, where do you see SPY going tomorrow? So I haven't looked into the SPY yet. I usually don't look at. I usually look at the SPY here and there. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say I know exactly where tomorrow. I think we can definitely start, you know, possibly staying flat or uptrending. I would be surprised if the SPY starts breaking down, but I think it's probably going to stay flat or start uptrending a little bit, right? Just because there's a lot of support here. You can see it's just a big point of control, right, for the SPY. So we might stay flat, you know, we might stay flat for the next coming days or week. Hey, thank you, Richard, for following. If you guys are new to my live streams, I live stream daily. If you guys like crypto, definitely follow, because I talk about crypto, the economy, and I'll check out any coins you guys want me to check out. I'll check out H-bar here because I heard someone telling me to take a look at H-bar, because it's been down about 7% on the day, right? Now, as for H-bar, I can definitely see it coming back down here to this level, this liquidity level, right? So H-bar long term, which I hope it does this because I want to buy at cheaper prices. I believe as Bitcoin trends down too, H-bar is going to also trend down into the halving, right? It's going to be a boring downtrend, and I believe right here, I think we're going to form a higher low right there in this range. So you can see right here, right, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then blast off. So what price is this? I'll tell you the price. The price range is around, you know, just a little bit under 5 cents H-bar. 5 cents, you know, 4 cents and a half H-bar. This is a big price range. I would definitely be accumulating more H-bar. Because right now it's about 6 cents. We're about 6 cents H-bar, so. Are you factoring the Marcus So and the circulating supply on Doge? What do you mean by that, Fred? What do you mean by that? What do you think about crypto in the future? Will it stay? Great question by Free the World. I think crypto in the future, my opinion on crypto in the future is I believe the future is going to be extremely centralized. Right, so this whole idea of decentralization and, you know, this and that, I think they're gonna market things to be, you know, projects to be decentralized, but everything is gonna be like in this centralized bubble. Meaning, you know, in order to get it, invest in Bitcoin, you know, invest into crypto, you gotta first get into the centralized bubble with regulation, with KYC, with all these things. And I believe that over time Bitcoin is going to go from number 1 to number 2 to number 3 to number 4. Not saying that Bitcoin is going to fail. It's always going to be successful. It's just the fact that over time, as we get more clear and clear, money flows more into utility. And I'm not saying that Bitcoin doesn't have utility, but by utility I mean like game-changing, innovation-based utility that fixes real world problems, right? Like Render, like I was saying, Render is you know, it's a bit has a lot of innovation. Ethereum, right? Decentralized finances, a lot of you know, crazy innovations in the crypto space. So, just my opinion. Thanks, man. Anytime. Botar IQ, thank you so much for being in the live stream. Can we look at XRP? Yeah, we'll take a look at XRP. Haven't looked at XRP yet. And yes, if I'll take a look at SHX and Flix for you. But look, XRP, a lot of people are talking about 39 cents. I feel like it's too early to know if we're coming to 39 cents. I think we're gonna stay flat here in this 50-cent range. And look, for XRP to stay bullish, we need to make this a new support. I want to see XRP make this a new support and never go below 50 cents again. But it very well can start downtrending, right? So I do think that if we don't get any crazy groundbreaking news for XRP, I think it's going to be downtrending similar to Bitcoin throughout the year, throughout until next halving, and possibly come down here, maybe, you know, start doing something like that. But yeah, we'll check out SHX, which is Stronghold here for Sniff here over on YouTube. But wow, yeah, I mean SHX has just been super flat, right? I mean, this is like, you know, when you think of accumulation here, this is how it looks like. So yeah, it's just been super flat. I mean, if you want to buy at these lows, you definitely can, but don't be surprised if we keep making if we make some new lows here, especially if Bitcoin comes down, right? And like I said, you never know. Like when you see altcoins like this, you don't know if they're gonna come back to the all-time high. You just don't. The biggest thing though to tell if they are is once you start to seeing life. You start seeing life once we start to curve up. When we start to slowly curve up, making higher lows, higher highs, that's when you start to see life and a possible return here for many altcoins. But yeah. Do you hold Gala? Yeah, I do hold some Gala. It's not my biggest coin that I hold, but I do hold some Gala. I would say it's my biggest gaming coin that I hold. Hawaii Electric, please. What do you mean by that? How long do the miners last before they break down? So I haven't done research on that, Big D, but I haven't seen any people or any, because I looked at a lot of reviews on these miners, and I haven't seen any people saying that, you know, if their miners breaking down. They've been talking about like power supplies could have broken their miners, or the power supply went bad. So make sure you have a good power supply. I recommend the best power supply of Bitmain. Don't buy these other power supplies, but I like Bitmain. So make sure you have a good power supply, and it should have a good life. And make sure that once, you know, during the bear market, you're on low power mode, and during the bull market, when you're profitable, you're on high power mode. Meaning you're hashing more. You know what I'm saying? Any thoughts on the Chinese current economy? Yeah, so, you know, it's a big reason why Michael Burry is short on the markets, right? The Chinese economy, I think what they do, they started decreasing rates. So not looking really good, right? We have Evergrande looking to go bankrupt, one of the biggest real estate holders in China. So we could possibly see a huge, you know, economy collapse for China. We already have the Netherlands, I think Germany too in recession. Will China be next? Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, guys, I just want to thank you guys so much. If you guys still haven't yet watched my latest shorts on YouTube or my latest TikTok, if you're on TikTok, if you want to join my Patreon, you guys can very well join for my indicators and my my Discord. But I just want to say thank you guys so much. We got 14K likes. You guys have been killing it today, and I just want to say thank you guys for everything. Invite, what did it say? But I just want to thank you guys again so much. And yeah, check out my latest TikToks, because I posted one today. And yeah, God bless you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably be live tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, and yeah, good night, guys. Peace.